Now we're gonna continue, and this time, instead of looking for the midpoint, I'm gonna know the midpoint, and I will know also one of the points. So the question will be find the second point. So the question 3, what we have is the next question. Suppose M is the midpoint of PQ. Find the coordinate of Q given. Okay? So what they're giving me right now, it's P, and this is -1 over 3, and here 3, and they're giving me my midpoint that is -1 and 7. So as we know, the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2 . What I have here is the x coordinate, and here is my y coordinate. So if my midpoint is -1 and 7, and this is what I find after I use the formula, so that means that I can say that x1 plus x2 over 2, this should be equal to -1, and I can say also that y1 plus y2 over 2 is equal to 7. This is look complicated, but it's not, because here what I need to remember is I know one of the points. So I have to decide actually if the point I know is the point 1 or the point 2. It doesn't matter. So for this case, I'm going to say this is my point 1. P is the point 1. So what I have to do at the end is replace what I know in those formulas. So I know that x1 is equal to -1, so I just replace it. -1 plus x2 over 2 is equal to -1, and my y1 is 3 plus y2 over 2, that is equal to 7. So wait a minute, if you see here each equation, how many unknown they have? They only have one. So the next step is to isolate the unknown that I'm looking. So having a fraction here, I just have to get rid of the 2. I just have to multiply by 2, and this will give me -1 plus x2, and -1 times 2, that is -2. Fantastic. Now I need to get rid of -1, so I just add 1. Now I definitely isolated x2. So -2 plus 1, -1. Fantastic. Now same steps for y2. So trying to get rid of the 2 by 2. So that's 7 times 2 is 14. Then I need to get rid of the 3 by doing -3. So y2 is equal 14 minus 3 is 11. Now I know that the second point, let's call it Q, his coordinate will be -1 and 11.